What's the meaning of Blue Book? Blue Book. Blue Book.
Blue Book. Blue Book. The term Blue Book can have a few different meanings depending on the context. One potential meaning is a book containing rules, guidelines, or standards. For example, in the United States government, the Blue Book refers to a document outlining rules and procedures for federal employees. Another possible meaning is a register of names or information. In this sense, a Blue Book might be used to record names of people who attend a particular event or a list of members belonging to an organization. Finally, a Blue Book can also refer to an official report or publication issued by a government agency.